What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I want to talk about the investment strategy that, dependent on your budget and how much you are willing to invest, what is the best way and which coins you should invest in to have the most out of this market in the next bull run. Okay, if you appreciate this kind of content and you like this kind of content, please like the video and subscribe and hit the notification button. Okay, I'm gonna give you a couple of examples. I've talked about this in more details in my membership videos, but it is very important that everybody should know, especially people who have little money to invest, because of how much they really need to risk their money to get the most out of this market. Okay, so I want to start with high market cap coins, and I'm going to talk about my own personal strategy, what I would do, what I'm doing for the next bull market. Okay, so make sure to stay watch the entire video. I'm giving this video, this is my experience from 7 years. For 7 years, I've had mistakes. I've talked about, if you're new to this channel, I need to say this every time. I've been in this market, I've made a lot of mistakes, and I've learned a lot of lessons, okay? And I'm giving them to you for free, all these lessons, okay? First, if you guys have only $1,000 to invest in this market, okay, I would never buy top 100 cap coins, and I'm gonna tell you why. If you are trying to get 50x, 100x, or even more, you will not get those x's from top 100 coins. Okay, you could maximum get maybe like 20x, 10x. Okay, if you guys are still fine with that much return, yeah, go for it. Okay, why not? Just go buy Ethereum. It's gonna probably eventually get 10x, maybe next bull market, and not next bull market, maybe in like 10 years. But I'm not gonna really wait that long just to turn my $1,000 into 10k or whatever, right? So I'm looking for bigger returns, and I do not have that much money to invest. So I would really have to risk my money more than somebody who has 100k or $1 million. Okay, and this is, you need to take more risks. Okay, and so if I have $1,000, I need to go into micro cap coins. The micro cap coins that I've said in my previous video, how you guys can find gems. Okay, go find that video. You guys, by looking at the coins, their charts, how many markets they have been listed in, how many exchanges, how many pairs they have, what the volume is, what their social media is, are they active, are they doing great, are they having good goals, really good goals for their team, are they what are they trying to reach, what are you trying to do in this market? Okay, so by looking at those, a lot of these coins are less than 10 million in market cap, which they can go 100x, even 200x, 300x in the next bull market. They are just waiting for market to be really bullish. Okay, so these micro cap coins are a sleeping gem, and if you want to know about some of them, go ahead and join my membership. I have to tell you guys this, a lot of people don't like it, but if I don't tell you about these, you're not gonna know that what I talk about in my memberships. Okay, so I would have to risk my money more, right? So I would not buy anything that has more market cap more than 50 million, even less than that. I should because the price is calculated market cap divided by circulating supply. Okay, so whatever coin you're buying, do not get fooled that a lot of YouTubers are talking about, yeah, the gem under $1 or gem under 2 cents. That doesn't matter, guys. The coin can, like Shiba Inu, has $4 or $5 billion market cap, and it's not even close to 1 cent. Okay, so don't get fooled that, oh, they're saying, oh, under 1 cent, and even when they say Shiba Inu is gonna go to 1 cent. First, you need to do the calculation yourself. You want to see if that makes sense. The calculation makes sense. Market cap divided by circulation supply. That will be the current price of any coin. Go do it with Ethereum. Go do it with Bitcoin. I've said it in my previous videos. But first, you need to make sure that you do that calculation. You want to see that in next bull market, how many X can this coin do? Okay, realistically. Don't go like XRP Army, that they're thinking like their 50 cents coin is gonna turn into $10,000. Okay, be realistic. Just get out of hype and hopium. Okay, do the math. Do a simple math. How many X of this market cap can we see next bull market for this coin? Okay, first you need to do that. All right. So, and next you need to find those coins. Okay, that they have already, as I said, they're listed in a lot of exchanges. Okay, if you have maybe 10k 12k, you can get into top 100 coins just to secure yourself, just to make sure that you will at least get 5x of your money with, for example, Gala coin, or like Ethereum, or like AVAX or Solana or whatever. Okay, but you need to make sure that you still you want to put 50%. If you have 10k, you want to put $5,000 into like top 100 coins, go for it. But the rest of it, I would risk it for with coins that have less than 10 million market cap, because those are the gems are gonna give the most return on your investment. They are riskier, obviously, but if you guys see that coin is still doing good in the bear market, they're already listed in exchanges, that means they are doing something in this market. Okay, they are having a good team behind it. They are doing great marketing. Okay, they are just new. That's why they have not seen those pumps that Solana did a long time ago, or any other coins in the last bear market or bull market. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is very important when it comes to your investment. Okay, but so the more money you have to invest, the more secure you can do. Let me give you an example. If you have 100k to invest, okay, I would still put 70-80% into secure coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Binance is a little bit shady right now because of that lawsuit, and but I would go to AVAX, Solana, all that. But right now, as I said, I am still expecting crash for this market. So a lot of these coins are gonna go a lot lower than what you see right now as their prices. Okay, so but you want to still DCA in. You want to still make sure that you do not put too much in these levels, because we will probably most likely see lower prices for every single coin, even Bitcoin. Okay, so in the next bull market, you need to risk a little bit of your money with micro cap coins. Okay, you need to make sure it has enough volume and it is already listed in a lot of exchanges. Do not just go buy any random coin. There are more than 2 million coins. Okay, 6 years ago, we only had like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 tokens. We are seeing a lot of coins coming out every single day. You don't want to just keep buying any random coin. Okay, this is my advice to you, honestly. Okay, none of these are honestly financial advice. These are just for your education. But I've made a lot of mistakes. I've gone and bought a lot of random coins, and they did not even have like $10,000 market cap. I mean, not even that. $10,000 market cap or trading volume in 24 hours, and they were only listed in like one exchange. That you guys shouldn't really do that, because that doesn't show enough confidence for you to get in those coins. Okay, you guys should go and find those coins and invest. So, but if you guys have more questions, ask me. This was my strategy, that what I'm gonna do, and I've been telling my members. We have 16 members so far, and they are learning a lot, and they can ask me any questions. So go ahead and join, like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.